Hello everyone, happy Monday. We're going to do a little mini lesson in our notebooks before we get started with the Savas quiz today. Remember today is an asynchronous day, so this video is just to help you with your notes. Notice that I put 9 problems in my notebook. I divided it up with a little tic-tac-toe board so you can see the lines that I have. So this gives my problems the perfect space in order to solve them and to be nice and neat. If you could hit pause on this screen right here so that you can put the date, add the title, and all 9 of the problems that we're going to solve together. So click pause right now so that you can see the screen and copy everything down. Okay, welcome back. Take a minute and I want you to hit pause and go ahead and solve each of the problems using your pencil in your notebook. When you come back, I will share all of the answers on a separate page. I'm going to talk through how I got each of the answers. So take a minute right now, hit pause again, and go ahead and solve all 9 of the problems as fast as you can. You can, if you want, solve the top 3. I'm going to start with the top 3 problems in my notebook so that you can see the answers. Okay, go ahead and hit pause, solve the problems, and come right back. Welcome back. What I'd like to do right now is take a minute. I have the same problems already solved on the next page. And I wanted to talk about each of the partial products. I'll reveal different parts of the problem, and you can see if you got it right. If you didn't, take a look at how I solved it. Copy the right answers in for each part, not just the final answer, but each of the partial products. Sometimes it's simply that you forgot to put in the 0, because remember this 4 is not really a 4, it's really a 40. So you have to have a 0 on the second partial product for each one. Okay, so I'm going to have you take a look at the first one here. 236 times 46. So the first partial product is the 236 times 6, and that was 1,416. And then 236 times 40, because that 4 really is a 40, is 9,440. With the final answer, when you add them up, is 10,856. I'm going to take away that sticky note. Okay, so we have 852 times 42. The first partial product is 370. The second partial product is 7,400, with the final answer being 7,770. I'll leave that one off. Okay, now we're on 735. 735 times 41. This should be an easy one, 735 times 1. So the first partial product is 735. You see the ones that I have circled? That's what I do when I carry numbers. That way I don't get them mixed up with the numbers that are already there. Okay, 735 times 40 is 29,400, with the final answer being 30,135. Okay, you can hit pause again and go ahead and solve the next 3 problems. If you're doing it all at once, I'm going to go ahead and start with the next partial product. And now you can see I have them all covered up. 90 times 9 is 810. Move it over. 90 times 50 is 4,500. Don't forget the 0 because that's really not a 5, that's a 50. And final answer being 5,310. Okay, then we have 475 times 4, which is 1,900. And then 475 times 60, which is 28,500. With the final answer, when I add them up, is 30,400. Okay, now we're on 439 times 22. So, first partial product, 439 times 2 is 878. Then when I do 439 times 20, it's 8,780, with my final answer that I've circled, 9,658. All right, last set of problems, last row. My first partial product, 304 times 9, is 2,736. And 304 times 80 is 24,320, with my final answer being 27,056. Okay, we have 510 times 72. First partial product, 1,020. The second partial product, 35,700, with my final answer being 36,720. And my final problem, 208 times 26. 208 times 6 is my first partial product, 1,248. 208 times 20 is 4,160. And my final answer being 5,408. And there you have it. Those numbers that I have up here are just from when I carried, I circle the problem, I circle it. Okay, so if you have any questions, please, in the stream on Google Classroom, you can ask questions about this. Make sure you have today's date and the title at the top on your page, ready to go for Tuesday. All right, you may go on to Savvis. We have a quiz, 10 problems in a quiz that you can use your marker board to solve, and then just put the answers in. Have a wonderful Monday. Don't forget to do your extra math today.